Let's talk prehnite. So what is prehnite? Prehnite is a calcium aluminum mineral with other stuff, but I'm not going to get into that too much. What I am going to tell you though is what is interesting about its crystal shape. Prehnite forms in what's called, wait for it, I can't say it with a straight face, botryoidal. Okay, let's try again. Botryoidal. I can't say it without making a funny accent. Botryoidal. This formation is ball-shaped. Most crystal shapes, when you think of, you're thinking of flat edges, points, facets, that kind of thing. It's not very often that you get a ball shape. So the most famous one actually that most people actually know of is grape agate. That one's botryoidal. So very commonly in prehnite, you're going to find these really dark inclusions, and this is actually epidote. So if you've never heard of epidote, you might actually be more familiar with it than you think. If you've heard of unakite, unakite, tomato, tomato, depending on how you want to say it, it's actually the same stone, epidote. Back to prehnite, it is said to be a stone of dreaming. So not only will it enhance being in the dream state, it'll enhance having lucid dreams, and in some cultures it's known as a prophecy stone. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you saw, be sure to hit like and subscribe so you can get our future videos. If you also like the products that you saw, we have a beautiful store here in Winnipeg, Manitoba. And if you're not from the area, we also have an online store, yieldrockshop.com. Cheers. Have a great rest of your day.